Craft-A-Snack. This week we're going to be making a delicious guacamole dip. The materials you're going to need are a cutting board, a bowl, a knife, and a fork. The ingredients you're going to need are avocados, red onion, tomato, lemon or lime juice, and salt and pepper. Begin by pitting your avocados and scooping them into the bowl. For this recipe, I used 2 avocados, but you can definitely use more if you want to. Once your avocados are in the bowl, begin mashing them with a fork. Keep going until all the big chunks are gone. Next, dice your tomato. It's up to you how much tomato you'd like to use. Add the tomato to the bowl. Next, begin chopping the red onion. Again, it's up to you how much red onion you'd like to use. Add the chopped onion to the bowl. Mix the onion and tomato into the avocados. As you can see, I added more onion, so definitely add more of the ingredients if you'd like to. Next, take some lemon juice or lime juice and add about a tablespoon. Finally, add a pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper. Mix it around one more time. Serve the guacamole with your favorite chips, and there you go! I hope you enjoyed this week's Craft-A-Snack recipe. Join us next week for another video.